Hello and welcome back to Gospel First. And today we're going to be focusing on Ephesians chapter 4 to 6, what it actually looks like to live a Christ-centered life every day. You know, it's one thing to believe something, it's another thing to live it. So what does a real Christian life actually look like day to day? Let's find out, shall we? We start off in Ephesians chapter 4, verse 1, where Paul says, live a life worthy of the calling you have received. Now, this is important. You don't earn the calling, you respond to it. Then he emphasizes unity. One body, one spirit, one Lord. And that's in verses 4 to 5. And it gives the key balance. Speak the truth in love. And that's in verse 15. Truth without love hurts. Love without truth misleads. Christ does both. An individual friend had a relationship once that became strained. Different opinions, frustration, and he kept thinking they need to change. But that didn't fix anything. What changed things was this. He began to soften. He started to listen, and he chose humility. And slowly, things did shift. Well, Paul says in Ephesians chapter 6, verses 11, put on the full armor of God. What does that mean? Well, truth grounds you. Faith protects you. God's word strengthens you. Life is a battle, but you are not unprepared. Now picture someone worn down by life. They're tired and struggling. And Christ doesn't stand at a distance. He steps in, he strengthens, and he walks with them. Well, that's it for another day. Thank you for staying faithful to the journey. May the Spirit continue to fill your heart and draw you closer to Jesus Christ. If your heart feels even a gentle nudge, I once again invite you to like, subscribe, and share so that we can spread the gospel of Jesus Christ together. And I'll see you next time as we continue our studies in the book of Philippians, chapter 1 to 2, where we discuss what is leading your life. Until then, God bless.